What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make a holidays glam, so let's get started. So first step, I'm going to use the Nivea moisturizer as usual. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, that's the primer on my face. Now I'm going to correct my dark areas with the color correcting. Time for foundation, concealer, next step is bronzer. As usual, I forgot to set my face. I'm going to use a pressed powder and try to set the area that I didn't bronze. And now it's time for baking. Finally, we're making the eyes. We will start with eyebrows. Now it's time for eyeshadow. I'm going to use a concealer as my base. I actually didn't decide what colors I'm going to pick. If you're waiting for a natural look, please close the video. It's holidays, no natural looks here. So I'm thinking about green, red, and gold. Yeah, it's Christmas. So I'll start with the red. I'm going to put it in my crease. I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to put a gold shimmer. I'm going to put a darker green in the inner and outer corners. And I'm going to blend this out. I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm going to draw a wing liner. Now I'm going to smoke the lower lash line with brown. I'm going to do the other eye real quick and be right back. And now it's time for the lips. Ew, my lips look so crusty and awful. Now I'm going to put a shiny metallic lip gloss. Now we're done, and let's set everything in place. And that's it for today's video. If you like this look, please like and subscribe. And I'm so sorry I forgot to record the blusher and highlighter. Anyways, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.